Hello everyone, welcome back to epicartdesigns.com. If you are new here, make sure that you hit the subscribe button to see more content like this. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So on today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how to edit our Shopify theme. This can also be a great video for if you just want to design your own Shopify theme from scratch. You can go ahead and do it with this. So when you purchase a thing from us, you will be led to this PDF. You have to download this and open it. And once you open the PDF, this is what you are left with. So this is just a thank you message. And then here you have your Shopify template and your banners. And also you have instructions, written instructions for how to install your theme and create a menu. It was a few updates with Shopify that we didn't really get to cover, so I'll make sure that I go over them in this video. So what you'll need for this is a Shopify account. It doesn't necessarily have to be paid for to edit your theme, but you will eventually need to have that if you want a domain. You will also need Canva. Now all our banners are made with the free version of Canva, so the free version is perfect for this. And you will also need Google Drive to download your theme and open it as well. So let's get started. Okay, so I have my PDF here. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and download this theme by selecting click here. That's under the Shopify template. So it's going to lead you to this Google Drive file. All you want to do is download this file by going to the arrow that's at the top right of the screen here and just hitting it. It's going to take a few seconds to download and it will pop up in this little corner just like that once it's downloaded. Next thing I'm going to do is go to Shopify. Now, I'm already logged in, but all you will have to do is pick a plan and log in basically. You can either select the paid plan or a free trial. Either will work for this thing. Okay, so we are in our Shopify dashboard. What you want to do is go to online store. It's really simple and easy, guys. Go to online store. It's loading really quickly. Okay, and then we're going to scroll down to where it says add theme. And then you can go to upload zip file. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag my file in here. But just if you don't have that option, you can just hit add file and find it in your computer. Now that we dropped our file here, you're just going to go to upload file. And it's going to take a few seconds to upload. Okay, so while we are waiting for our theme to install, I'm going to go ahead and open my banners by going back to the PDF, and I'm just going to click these links that's under the banner section. Going to do it for both of them. Okay, so these are the banners that we use for this particular theme, and everything is really customizable. So let's go and check on our theme. Perfect. So our theme is installed. I'm just going to go ahead and hit customize. And this is our theme. Now this is where it gets a little bit confusing because most people don't see the banners and everything uploaded, so they think that they got the wrong template or just the wrong theme. But this is the thing. You just have to now implement your photos and the banners on there. The setup and the structure, everything is the same, but the banners are just not uploaded. So that's where I'm going to show you guys how to do. So let's go ahead and go back to our banner, and it's very easy to customize this. I'm just going to show you something really quick you can do. So just so that you can get this kind of color scheme in here in the same layout that's over the picture. Say you have a picture like this, that your picture doesn't really look like that, and you really don't know how to create that effect. What you can do is just from your uploads, just drag the photo like that, and it's gonna take all those colors and everything. So just drag it straight over, don't let it go. So you can't drop it in there if you were to just do it like this. You have to drag it from your uploads. So yeah, and you just do that with the rest of your photos as well. Just drag and drop all of them in there one by one. You can also change like the text to say, I guess, shop to sale. And then you want that green highlight, just highlight over the text and select the color you want it to be. just like that. Same thing with these. They're all drag and drop, so you just drop your picture in there. As well as the phone frame, you may have to move this out the way to kind of drop your pictures in there. Okay, so we're done editing our banners or customizing them. Now we got to put them on our site. So what we're going to do is go to share up in the top right corner, and then we're going to locate download. And we're just going to download this as a PNG. I'm going to go download pages one by one. So I'm just going to select the page I want. We're going to hit download. Now I'm just going to go to my Shopify theme that I opened. And now what I'm gonna do is drop my pictures into these little banner slots. To do that, just make sure that you got the image banner selected, just like that. And then this is where you will drop your images, just like that. And then it will take a while to a few seconds actually. Perfect. Now you have your first banner in there. Just for the sake of making sure that your work is saved, make sure you hit save after everything that you do. Okay. So let's go ahead and put our logo right here. So, okay guys, so I'm just going to make sure that my header is selected, and I'm going to go to edit your logo and theme settings. It should be under desktop logo position. So we're going to hit theme settings, and we're going to go ahead and select our logo. Now my logo is already in here, but if you don't have a logo, feel free to use Canva logo templates. They have great ones for you to use. Now, as you can see, I already have this set for you guys so that it's big enough to fit right here. But if you think that it's too large, you can go ahead and tune it down, or you can, keep it the same. I'm going to keep it the same because I really like how it looks. I'm going to hit save. Also, I didn't show you is you can change your logo position. So I'm going to change it to top center, just like that. Okay, now that our logo is in, I'm going to show you guys how you can change this collection here. Now, to change a collection, you will have to have products. So let's just make sure that you guys know how to add products. I'm just going to exit out of this here, and I'm going to head to products. And then, as you see, I already have example products here, but you just add a product, you add the title, the description, and the picture. This is the pricing down here, as well as inventory and all that good stuff, shipping. So you want to make sure to put it in like a collection. You have the collections right here. This test product will go into a known collection that you are going to use. So for example, home collection, that's the collection I'm using. So that's what I'm going to put it under. So once you have that, I'm gonna just exit out, but you can save this. But I'm gonna exit out of it because I have products already. By the way, to create a collection under products, just head to collection, and you just create a collection. It's that easy, guys. Just name it and save it. I got a homepage collection. I have a test collection. Now, please note my products are in my homepage collection. So this is the collection that I'm going to be selecting. So go back to your online store, hit customize, and then we're gonna hit the selection here where it says our feature collection, and we're gonna change this collection. I'm just gonna hit replace, and I'm gonna change it to my homepage collection. And all my homepage products should pop up just like that. Make sure you hit save. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to add collection images. So for this template here is your collection image, and what you would do, and these does not come with the stock photos, but what you would do is you would just basically drag your photos in here. So say you have someone with wavy hair, I'm gonna show you have straight hair. This is just our test picture. We're just gonna crop her to fit this here. I'm gonna show layers, and put her behind this glow. Basically, a little bit more. Yeah, perfect. So now I'm just gonna download this. I like to download them one by one, and I download them as PNGs. Download. Now let's go to our Shopify. We're gonna exit out of here. And then as you can see, it's 3 collections right there. So we have to add pictures to 3 collections. So I'm gonna go to my collections. I'm gonna do 1 collection because I don't have 3, but we're gonna go here and we're gonna drop. Actually, I'm gonna do 2. I have 2 collections. So we're gonna drop our image here if my computer will load. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop my image here. And then save. You just want to do this to all 3 collections, and I'm gonna come back when all of them is uploaded. Okay guys, so here are my 3 collections as well as the images uploaded, I'm sorry. Now you can change the titles and the colors of these if you want. They really don't have to stay the same. So we're just gonna go to online store and I'm just gonna hit customize. Now we have to put these collections together. So I'm just gonna select the first collection. And for that, you can go to collection here and we're just gonna hit replace and we're gonna go ahead and replace it with our first collection, which is homepage, and I'm gonna save. And I'm gonna do the rest just like that. Replace, test collection, replace, yeah, testing tool and save. And that's how you put your collections up there. It's really easy, guys, really simple. So for customer reviews, it's easy as a click of a button. Just hit the first review and you will click select right here to change up the reviews. And then down here, this is as well as a banner too. So I'm gonna go ahead and this can be any one of these banners that you like. You can put those right here. You're basically just filling in for the rest of the banners, just like that, guys. It's very easy, very simple. If you have any questions about anything that I did in this video, let me know in the comment section below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. As well, if you want to purchase this template, I will link it below. By the way, this is a theme. It will come with the theme and the banners. Okay, really quick, guys. Once you have everything edited, I'm going to show you how you can publish this. So we saved everything. Now you just want to hit publish. It's going to replace with your current theme, and now your theme will be up here, and you can kind of preview your website, see how it looks on certain things. Also, Shopify changed a few things, so your menus and navigation is not going to be right here no more. It's going to be under content, so you just go to content and you go to menus, and then you go to your main menu. And from here, you can edit and like change the position of the menus and drag it just like that. Okay, so that's really all for today's videos, guys. Make sure you subscribe and let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you on the next one.